Stickasaurus here, and today we're going to start on a villain from Power Rangers Western Strike. This is Kairo. Their Season 1 villain, as far as I know. I'm not sure and everything. Awesome model by 3D Command Center. It's an interesting design, but he pulled it off very well. It's got some tubes that are going to be on the top and everything as well. I think yellow eyes. I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to get working on this. They don't do a lot of villain helmets, so this should be pretty exciting. So hopefully we can pull it off. Let's get to it. Alright, we are going to get the eyes glued in here and then clear it, and hopefully we can get it to stay together with the tubes attached. Might be a whole thing, but we'll see. Alright, here's Kairo. Lenses glued in and everything. I mean, the gaps and stuff are by design. We're going to try to get this together. It might be a nightmare. I don't know how this is going to go. So you might see us spin around. You might not.
Power Rangers Western Strike. They have the power, and they will take it down. Time now for the Western Strike. Western power. Power Rangers Western Strike. They will win the fight. Western power might. Western power break the thunder.
And there we have it. We don't do a lot of villains. Sadly, we will change that. But this is the first even fan series villain we've done. And if this is awesome, this, again, is the main villain for at least Season 1 of Power Rangers Western Strike. What a challenging helmet. I don't know if I'm, like, totally happy with it. I think I'm, like, 92% happy with it. I wish we could have did, like, the tubes a little better. We tried 3D printed ones. We tried resin printed ones. They just didn't work. Just because it was almost impossible to have them magnetize on, so you could take them on and off, or else you wouldn't be able to open the helmet. So we went with the acrylic tubing that we tried to tint, make it look like it has liquid in it, which I guess turned out okay. Hopefully they can fix it with some effects or something. But it also acts as the hinge, so it's kind of nice. It keeps it together. We went with bolts. These are bolted on the inside with just a bolt melted and glued into these end caps here that we have nuts on the inside to hold them, so you can remove them if you need to. But I think it looks awesome. The lenses turned out super well. You can, believe it or not, see rather well out of this. I left a little bit under here for the lenses and a little bit in the corner. So there's a lot of good vision. I know you saw it on my head, but with my hair up, it doesn't sit quite right with my face. But I still was able to see pretty well out of it. So I'm super happy for the most part with this. I think it looks awesome. The colors are stunning and all that. I'm excited to see it on film, hopefully soon. And I hope Western Strike is excited for it as well. But I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you check out Power Rangers Western Strike on Instagram, Twitter, and I believe YouTube. They are definitely fantastic, awesome, great people. We've done the whole team, and there's many more to come, so stay tuned for that. But as always, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Customers Props, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, twice a day, working on helmets live for your entertainment. Check out the merch store. We've got lots of cool t-shirts. Check out the Discord. Lots of people there making helmets, having a good time, talking about tokusatsu and all that. And as well, check out the Patreon. $1 tier. We've got community build helmets, custom helmets, some special helmets. There's helmet files over there, all kinds of stuff. So check that out if you're interested. And I will see you next time.